Nyine etandise sawa 7 negwa paka sawa 10, 3 hours non-stop. Enkuba etandise sawa 7. Bano abafudde Basatu wetule wano wenyini babadde bali mu nnimiro ne balaba enkuba ne bavaayo ne baduka emisindi, kumala kuduka emisindi ne baye ne bajja bayingira mu nyumba. Kabali mu nyumba wowe bati enkuba kukya sawa nga 10 zenyini buli omu najja n'alaba naye bannange ekiyakoze tulaba landisireri zonna naye kubuuza obwetutyo ne bagamba nange bannange abaawali tebakyaliwo we babadde ona omulala n'atugamba naye bannange we babadde wenyini awo kirabika bali mu nyumba.
Expressing a time which is very hard, and we are going to take these dead bodies in Rukoki sub-county. We go to them from Mapata village.
The general burial will take tomorrow. As per now, we are arranging and we are in the process of making sure that we are organizing everything to see that we bury them tomorrow, because the time we go to them from up has affected us and we have not managed to bury today. So exactly tomorrow at 2 p.m. we are proposing to bury
valleys and where landslides are passing and where we suspect that any time landslides can occur, at least they should shift from those areas. The destruction is very, 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 very high. People have lost crops. All the little valleys in this area have all been destroyed. But it is not only this area, there are also other areas. For example, in Maliwa sub-county, in Isule parish, Isule is also affected.